Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
I got to tell you, this is the kind of graphic I love to put up at the end of March and early April. Who hit 70 degrees today? Let's go out to it, and we'll show you who were the lucky recipients. Portland down at the forecast office for National Weather Service. They hit 71 degrees. Corvallis hit 72 just at the very end of the 5 o'clock hour. Roseburg at 73 today in the hot spot across the state down towards Medford, where they picked up 75 degrees. Now, we did not get that high here in Eugene. We got up to 68, which is still pretty darn good, and in fact about 10 degrees above where we should be this time of year. But as we go in towards tomorrow, I think even here, Southern Valley, we've got a real good shot of hitting 70 degrees as well. Storm Tracker 9 live radar sweeps, all quiet today. You see the little bit of cloud cover way off to our southwest here. You say, what's that, Stapes? Well, that's our first rain band that's going to slowly get a little closer to us. I'll show you where the big low is in a second. The one that is going to unfortunately bring some rain chances back for our Easter Sunday. Now, right now we're looking at 66 in Eugene, 64 in Cottage Grove, still 70 up in Corvallis, and still 72 in Roseburg. Very comfortable. 52 in Newport, 59 as you get down to the south coast, slipped into the low 60s in North Bend today, 59 in Bend, and around 46 on top of Willamette Pass. So as you might expect, with the temperatures as warm as they are in the mountains, the snow lines have been jumping back up to around 8,000 feet. No thunderstorms out there today. This weekend, though, as we get that low closer, again, that's the triggering mechanism enough. With the warm air that we've got on the surface here, that we'll probably see a few isolated thunderstorms. How about 71 in the Dalles? Downtown Portland got to 69, 70 in Ontario, 65 in Klamath Falls, and 71 as you get down towards Brookings. Overnight tonight, we'll see relatively clear skies for the most part. We'll likely see some valley fog settle in around Corvallis and Eugene, around 45 degrees, pair of 48s in Coos Bay, and same thing as you get down towards the Umpqua. It'll be very, very mild. So what's the setup? Well, right now and tomorrow, we'll be under the influence of this high-pressure ridge that's pushing this system to the south. But unfortunately, it's going to slide a little closer with the jet stream and push up into Northern California. And these little outer bands that you see with a very impressive-looking storm for this late in the season will start to move their way into the state from the south. Now, that means the warm air will stick around, but it also means, similar to what we saw earlier this week, we'll see these shower bands start to move on through. First one likely is going to try to sneak through southern Oregon late Saturday night and early Sunday. We'll fortunately catch some showers Sunday morning for folks down in Douglas County, and then we'll see that drift on through the valley probably about lunchtime through early afternoon. Now, it shouldn't be real heavy, but they'll be out there, so I do think you're going to at least need to keep the rain gear handy for Easter Sunday. Tomorrow, though, we're talking low 70s and a very, very nice forecast. So the coast, temperatures will be around 57 in Newport, close to the low 60s down towards the south coast. Some lightly scattered showers on Sunday and cloudy, then dry for a couple days. Then we've got a pretty big system coming in Thursday and Friday. That'll cool things off as well. In the Umpqua, partly sunny skies tomorrow. Temperatures warm again into the low 70s. 7-day forecast shows about a 10-degree temperature drop into the low 60s on Sunday before we'll warm up again briefly into early next week. Isolated thunderstorms in the Cascades. In Bend and Redmond, we'll see a very warm afternoon in the upper 60s and then mid-60s with pretty dry conditions through most of the weekend forecast. And here in the valley, foggy start, nice sunny finish, guys. Probably be the warmest day of the year tomorrow here in Eugene and Springfield. And I do think a lot of spots hit 70 today. We'll hit it again tomorrow. But unfortunately, we will see a chance for some light showers on Sunday.
Here in Oregon, it would be a great idea if they could develop waterproof Easter dresses.
It really would.
I think that would be a really good idea.
Just kind of roll right off of it.
There's an idea right there. There's like kind of a, that's something maybe we can work on.
Yeah.
Well, quit our jobs and make waterproof Easter dresses.
There you go. Yeah. Exactly.
Thanks, Justin.
You got it, guys.